Hey guys, Kevin here with your KevCAM tip of the day today. So today I want to cover the automatic toolpath after calculation. So what this is doing is you'll see that all these toolpath needs or these operations need to be calculated. So if I go in here and we just do a calculate all real quick, you'll see that the toolpath is automatically being turned on for me. And now if this is something that you don't like and you don't want it, we can go and individually shut these off, or if we go to our tools, SolidCAM and SolidCAM settings, and then we will go down to the toolpath simulation and click on the simulation modes. You guys can actually turn off the toolpath, so when after you do a save and calculate or a calculation or a synchronizing calculation, the toolpath won't show up automatically for you. So just wanted to kind of show you guys where that is put in the settings for you and show you how to turn it on or turn it off as well. So just want to show you that for you, today, and look forward to talking to you guys tomorrow with the tip of the day. Thanks guys, have a great evening.